first, a word from our sponsor.
Thank you so much to Eyewear for sponsoring today's video. If you know me or if you've been watching my channel, you know that I love Eyewear. I've worked with them a million times, I've talked about them a million times, and I get so many questions about my glasses when I wear them in videos. So these glasses that I'm wearing right now, I have them in this style, and then I have them in a clear version of this exact same one. These are my prescription glasses that I wear every day. They are from Eyewear. These frames are the Hepburn style frames, and I have a size small for reference. This is the color Ivory and Tortoise, and they also have blue light protection so you can see in the glare, which is great because I'm always looking at a screen, as I feel like most of us are, since a lot of us are working from home and doing a lot of things virtually. I have been getting my prescription eyeglasses from Eyewear for over a year now. I get so many compliments on my glasses, which is so nice. So if you are unfamiliar with Eyewear, it is pretty much your one-stop shop for all of your eyewear needs. They really have something for everybody, from prescription lenses to fashion glasses without any prescriptions. They have blue light protection, they sell sunglasses. Eyewear is focused on providing fashionable and affordable eyewear, and they're able to make their frames so affordable because they control the entire manufacturing process in-house. So from the glasses lab to your door, Eyewear offers over 1,000 different frames to choose from, and some of them are even available for 2-day shipping, so you can literally get your new pair of glasses to your house in 2 business days. Another awesome thing is that Eyewear offers a 14-day fit and style guarantee, so you can make sure that you like the style of your glasses on your face, so they fit well, that you can actually see out of them if they're prescription, and if they don't for any reason, you can return them within 14 days. So if you want to check out Eyewear, you can go to the link in my description box and use this promo code for a discount off of your purchase. The link to my specific glasses will also be in the description if you are interested in trying them out, and don't forget to use my promo code for money off because everybody loves a good sale. So thank you again to Eyewear for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys, and now let's get into the vlog. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we have a very average day ahead of us. There's nothing crazy going on, just very chill vibes, which is exactly what I need right now. I'm starting today off by grabbing my laptop and setting up the video that is going up today, which by the time you're seeing this will be like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I don't know. I'm doing tags, I'm filling in stuff in the description, and I'm scheduling it for upload. So after I finished that, I finally got the hell up and out of bed. I quickly made my bed, just, putting the sheets and pillows back in their respective places. I don't know, it just makes me feel put together, and it makes me feel like I already have a task that I completed in the morning, so it's always good to get your day started off on that foot. After that was done, I prepared to head downstairs and was greeted immediately by Archie because he is so cute and he's so excited to see me in the mornings. Walked downstairs, saw this beautiful view. I love the holidays, and look at little Archie again. God, he is so cute. And then I went over and found Miss Fluff. She's always laying by a heater. I guess she's cold. It's actually adorable. She just props her little self up, and she just looks so cute, especially when I do this. Oh God, she is a queen. I love her so much. After my morning talks with the kitties, I went into the kitchen and got myself a glass of ice water as usual. I do this every morning, gulp that shit down because staying hydrated is important. And now I'm gonna make myself an exciting bowl of Quaker oatmeal squares. These slap so hard, so I devoured that shit. After that, I went into the bathroom. Of course, started by washing my hands because you just please wash your hands. Oh my God. Put my contacts in because I needed to do that to prep myself for the next activity that I will be doing today. And brushed my teeth, of course. So then went up to my room, picked out an outfit for the first activity that I will be doing today. And oh my God, wow, this is giving it away 100%. So I'm putting on my sneakers, and you guessed it, I am going to be exercising this morning. This is unprecedented. Oh, I'm picking up an Amazon package that was left outside, and here we are. Oh gosh. Wow, this camera angle is really off. Hello. I'm sitting on the floor in the corner, as we all can see. I think it's like 10:15 right now. I have a couple things that I want to say. Number one, something interesting happened yesterday. I decided that I wanted to go on a walk on our treadmill that we've had for like close to a decade. Like, we've literally had this thing forever. I decided to utilize it yesterday and do one of the programs where it, increases the incline and stuff. So good workout, whatever. And then while I'm like holding a pair of scissors. This is kind of weird. While I was walking, I turned on one of my favorite podcasts, Crime Junkie with Ashley Flowers. You guys know I'm an Ashley Flowers stan. I did my cardio, my walk, and then I decided, to do a couple ab exercises. Oh, and then I took a nice body shower. It was in the morning. It was the beginning of my day, and something very peculiar happened. For the rest of the day, I was motivated. I was feeling inspired. I was feeling positive. How strange, right? So clearly we don't know This is sarcasm, by the way. Please don't come for me. I know there's scientific research backing this. I just needed to say this. What I'm gonna do today is conduct a little bit of an experiment. This is a science channel now. And I'm gonna do the same thing as I did yesterday morning again right now and see if it has the same effect. See if the two were related or if yesterday was just a good day, because this could be monumental. This will be my third time doing this in the past like week, which is crazy. I'm actually like motivated to do it because I'm excited to listen to a podcast episode. So we're gonna see what happens, what comes of this today. But as you guys just saw, I got a package from Amazon and I wanted to do a little unboxing. First of all, I knew this was gonna come today, but typically the mail doesn't come until like 3-ish in the afternoon, so I wasn't expecting it until later. But this actually directly correlates to my experiment and to what I was just talking about. So I figured it would be kind of fun. I'm so excited. Let's begin with this. So I got these ankle weights and I thought that it would be fun, okay. I thought that it would be interesting to put those on while I'm doing my little walks, just to improve my workout. And also, obviously I can use them for things other than just my walks, like if I'm doing other exercises or whatever. They look like this. They come in a 2-pack and they're adjustable. So you can actually take out each individual one. There is a bag and they each weigh 1 pound, so you can adjust the weight. I am really excited. I think I'm gonna put these on today. I was not expecting them to come this early. I'm gonna put them on for today's workout because why not? That's the first thing. The second thing is also workout related. I'm so beyond excited about these. So I got this pack of 3 of these glute bands. I have seen these everywhere. Well, first of all, these are so cute. I really wanted the thicker glute bands. Really excited about these. And they're also so cute. So I think I might use these today as well. And not only are they cute, but they come in, this is not sponsored by the way, but they come in 3 different resistances. So we have light resistance, medium, and heavy. I just really like the variety and I like the options that I'm having right now. So that's my unboxing. Let's put these ankle things on and see what we got going. Okay, we have our leg weights on. They kind of look like the ankle warmers from the 80s, and I really kind of fuck with that look.
I wanted to take the next couple of minutes to talk very openly and honestly about my relationship, or lack thereof, with health and fitness and exercise and all of that kind of stuff. I have tried so many times to start going to the gym. Like I'm telling you, I have been to at least 5 different gyms, and every time I would start going, but then I would just lose motivation. It was never fun for me. I know that there are people out there who going to the gym is their escape, and doing workouts at the gym is what brings them comfort, and they love to do it, but I have never been that kind of person, and I just felt like something was wrong with me for that. I was like, what am I doing wrong? I don't know. Something about the gym gives me anxiety. It's probably my self-consciousness and body insecurity. Honestly, the fact that I would have to drive to the gym in order to like work out and then have a bunch of people around me, and I felt like they were all staring at me. It was just not a great situation for me. So it's something that I never got into. I was an athlete growing up, so I didn't really have to worry about how I was exercising because I would just go to practice and that was my exercise every day of the week. But now that I'm older and I have to make a conscious effort and actually be internally motivated to stay fit and healthy, I have really struggled. Music does not work for me when working out. It doesn't help me to take my mind off of what I'm doing. I literally hate exercising. I love how I feel after it. I literally love it. It makes me feel great afterwards, but actually doing it makes me want to die. But what I have found that works is putting on a podcast and listening to that while I'm exercising, because it helps me to take my mind off of what I'm doing and put it into a whole different like story. And that is literally what has inspired me to work out. There's so many episodes of podcasts that I can just turn on and I'm excited to listen to them, and then being able to exercise while I'm listening to them is what has given me motivation. So I don't really know what the point of this entire monologue was, but basically what I want you to know is the things that inspire you and motivate you to exercise or to do anything really are entirely your own. And if you see that something works for somebody else, like for example, going to the gym motivates some people, listening to music motivates some people. If you're seeing that with other people and it does not work for you, don't be discouraged, because there is something out there that will work for you. You just have to find it, and it might take a little bit of time, but yeah, it's out there, I promise. And another thing I wanted to add, you don't have to run like a half marathon every day in order to do like a quote unquote productive workout. Just moving your body is what matters. As you guys just saw, I walked on the treadmill, and that for me was a good workout. Everybody's bodies and needs and interests are different, and we're also all at different points of our journey. So don't compare your day 1 or your day 5 or whatever to somebody else's day 254. As long as you are moving your body and you're doing something that makes you feel good in the end, that is what matters. Okay, hi. It's now 12:19 p.m. Just got a shower. I washed my hair. I didn't want to because I only washed it like 3 days ago, and I'm trying to like not wash it a whole lot because I don't want it to fade. But it was so disgusting, so I really did not have a choice. I did that, feeling much better. So now I want to run to the craft store actually, because I just posted my last minute Christmas gift ideas video, and in that video one of the things that I said was a paint by numbers, and it just really made me want to do a paint by numbers for some reason. So I want to go to the craft store and get one for fun. I also have not left my house in, if not a full week, then it's been 6 days. Like I literally have not stepped foot outside of my house in any capacity since I took my Instagram photos the day that we had our snowstorm, which was last Wednesday. I'm gonna take this opportunity to get one of the iced gingerbread lattes at Dunkin. I've just been making my own coffee at home. I literally haven't left my house, so I've been making my own coffee, and I have this creamer that I got, and it's like a mint truffle flavor, and it is incredible. It tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream. It's amazing. So I've been drinking that and thoroughly enjoying it. But if I'm gonna leave my house, I might as well stop at Dunkin and get one of those iced gingerbread lattes because they are so good. So that's my plan. Okay, I want some like majestic scene. That's what I need. I need a majestic scene. Why are the reviews so bad? Okay, apparently this brand sucks. I need to do my research. This is pretty. Okay, so there's this one that's supposed to be good. Okay, so I'm reading reviews because I'm not about to fuck around. I don't want to get a shitty one. We're just gonna go and see what they have. I'm getting a feel for what brands are good. I can't believe I just sat here for 5 minutes and recorded that when no one gives a fuck. Makeup is a no for me today. I don't see a reason for it, so I'm simply just not gonna do that to myself. Princeton sweatshirt is back, and it's better than ever. I am going to head out, and I'm really excited, so I'll see you guys in the car. Oh god. Supernatural with Ashley Flowers. Are we at this point? Are we surprised? Okay, I need to wait for my dad to leave so I can leave. I don't like pulling out this way, but I have a backup cam, so... Oh my god. No, you're joking, right? No, you're seriously joking. Oh my god, no, no, no. My car just had to go over an embankment of snow, and I wasn't ready for that at all. Okay, I just arrived, and there is nobody here. Nobody here. Hi, could I please get a small iced gingerbread latte? Thank you. Oh, yeah, brother. Okay, I'm gonna put it next to me and stir it so that the whipped cream can go into the drink, you know what I mean? Like, that's what it's all about for me. Oh, fuck yeah.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
I will see you guys when I get to the craft store. Okay, I just got the greatest deal. I got 2 paint by number sets, one of which is pretty large. You guys saw me like pulling it out and looking at it. The total for both of them was 15 bucks. So I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show my mom. It's 1:26 now. I think I'm gonna stop and get some pizza. There's one of those places where it's like Subway for pizza. You just like tell them what you want and they make it or whatever, and they have like personal sized ones. So I could really go for a ham and pineapple pizza right now. So I think I'm gonna grab that and then go home. I'm sweating. That was a very successful trip, and I'm so excited about my paint by numbers. Oh. Sup? Okay, now is the point in the day where I sit here in this corner in the rocking chair and I turn the crown on and I edit. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm sweating and I'm gonna eat my pizza also. I also got my blue light glasses because I have my contacts in right now, obviously, but if I don't wear these, I literally get the most insane eye strain. Oh my god, there's an Ariana Grande documentary that just came out. Okay, The Crown, we're on season 3, episode 4. For any of you guys who watch The Crown, I don't know if it's just me, but I got so attached to Claire Foy, who was the actress who played Elizabeth in the first 2 seasons. Obviously, like, they had to replace her at some point because Elizabeth obviously, like, gets older, but I was so attached to her. Now that they replaced Elizabeth and she's being played by somebody else, it literally hurts. Maybe it's just something I'll have to get used to, but I'm pretty sure they changed her again. But I know that 4 is supposed to be when Diana comes in, so I'm just trying to stay positive, really. It's been hard, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, so I'm just gonna sit here and edit. I want to start my paint by numbers, but I don't want to start it until my video is done, so I'm gonna try and finish it. I actually cranked out the rough edit last night, which I was not expecting because I edited a whole other video yesterday. That's what I was talking about earlier. Like, I just felt so motivated yesterday. So I did a whole lot of stuff. I already have the rough edit done and I just have to go through and do any effects and stuff. Since I'm posting every day, I obviously can't take 3 days to edit a video like I normally would, but I'm realizing through this process that my perfectionism is what makes me edit for 3 days. Like, that is what it is, because I want every single detail to be perfect. But like, at the end of the day, like, I'll still look at it, I'll still play it back and be like, I didn't do enough. And in reality, I did so much, you know what I mean? I really wanted to give myself permission to do less. I'm literally forcing myself to let go of my perfectionist tendencies, and I think that this will be very beneficial for me in the long run. I just wanted to say that. Anywho, okay.
So I just edited for a couple of hours and I actually ended up, oh, excuse me, just rocking on the rocking chair extremely aggressively. I actually ended up finishing this video and uploading it, so that was great. A lot of the time I feel like I have to have something in the background going on in order for me to be productive. I'm like that with homework too, which is kind of weird. Like, I like a background TV show to be on. I'm not a psychologist, but I just feel like it stimulates my mind in a different way and it makes me happy. I don't know, whatever works. But after I finished my video and I uploaded it, I wanted to get started on one of the paint by numbers that I got because I was just too excited to put that off any longer, honestly. So I'm starting with the Starry Night one. Oh, I just remembered that I didn't show you guys the ones that I got. I will insert a couple of pictures of both of the packages. I'm sorry, I totally forgot to do that. Wow. My mom actually sat in the living room with me while I was doing this, and we turned on Supernatural with Ashley Flowers because she loves to listen to that with me. I put her on, you know what I mean? You're welcome, Mom. So we sat and listened to that and I painted, and it was literally the most serene, amazing experience ever. After I finished what you guys are seeing me do right now, I did a couple more colors on this paint by numbers, and then I actually cracked open my second paint by numbers that I got, which is much larger and much more intricate. I went upstairs, I opened that, and I turned on the crown, and I went at that for a solid 2 more hours. I was just having a ball. So basically what I wanted to say is I found a new hobby, and I encourage you to find a new hobby too, because it is a fun time. Hi, it is now 5:45 p.m. I was doing my paint by numbers for a while, which you guys saw a little bit of. I kind of like popped off, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited. I just had so much fun doing that. I'm so glad I got those today, and I'm even more excited that they were 2 for 15 bucks. That's wild. I might even go ahead and start the second one, honestly. So since it's Monday, The Bachelorette comes on tonight at 8. It has been coming on Tuesdays this season, but we have a 2-night finale. So tonight and tomorrow we have The Bachelorette, and my mom and I watched that together, so we are going to do that. I got ahead of myself. So like I said, it's 5:45. I think I want to end this vlog here because I want to start editing it. I am just gonna make myself some food. I need to do my thumbnail for tomorrow's video, and then The Bachelorette comes on at 8, and that is going to be fun because my mom and I bond over it and laugh at funny memes. So I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. I had a really nice day today. I feel like I got a lot done. I feel good about it, but I also feel like it was fun. I'm glad that I vlogged today. I'm glad I brought you guys along. And with that being said, that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday, of course after the 12 days of Christmas, that is. And if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure you turn on my post notifications. It's the little bell icon so that you never miss an upload and you can get notified right when I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.